Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very special hair blow dryer. That's this professional hair blow dryer from KELOPA. This is far from being a normal standard hair blow dryer. This is something really special regarding the design and also regarding the technology. It has 110,000 RPM brushless motor. It provides negative ion technology for smooth hair treatment. It has 2 speed settings, 3 heat settings. It's very lightweight, comes with magnetic nozzle, magnetic filter, and it comes with a very beautiful vintage Alhambra design. So I'm going to take it out of the box and show you what you get and how it works. So here's the box, already very beautiful thing, could also be a really nice gift. And so here we have the pink edition. Yeah, it's definitely a real beauty. Watch this thing. And here we have the magnetic nozzle. You can just put it on and remove it if you want it. Super easy, it doesn't get any better than that. And here on the back, apart from the beautiful design, which even lights up, I'll show you that later, there is no air intake, which is super important. So it's much safer, because when you have the air intake here, it's prone to really suck in your hair. Even when you have a filter, then it's still sticking here. You have to be really careful. Here with this model, we have the air intake down here. We have a really fine mesh, nothing can happen. And if we need, we can remove it because we have an even finer mesh here inside. Absolutely awesome. Doesn't get more safety in a hair blow dryer than with this one. So this will be super easy to clean from here. Then just push it back and it goes into place with this magnetic hold. And then we have a pretty long cable. It's also something which is important, so you can use it wherever you want. And so I plugged it in, and so we can turn it on here with a push on this button. And we have 2 strings. We have the first one and we have the second one on top. And for both of the speeds, we can select one of the 3 heating positions. We have the green, which is just cold air. Then we have the orange, which is warm air. And then we have the red, which is hot air. And that's possible with both of the speed settings. That's awesome. And the best of all is how quiet it is. Of course, you can still hear that and it's difficult to talk, but I can tell you the awesome thing is that it doesn't have any kind of high whistling sound, which can be very annoying, almost hurt your ear. That's not going to happen. So I'm going to start it now. You can hear that. I think you can still hear me a little bit. I can hold it like that, absolutely no problem. It doesn't hurt me. With the green light also works for a little bit of extra cooling, can be awesome in the summer. And you can see how strong it's really blowing. This is absolutely fantastic without being too loud, really strong fan. It's a beautiful green light. It's just a little bit hard to see here on the camera. Maybe when I hold this a little bit closer, now I push and it will switch to orange, which is a little bit warmer, and I push again and it is red and super hot. And I can do the same thing on the high settings as well. You can see green, orange, red. So I turn this off again. What you also notice is that it stops immediately. You can really see and feel how good the quality here really is, and it's very lightweight, absolutely no problem to hold it for longer time. So this does not only fit for at home or for travel, but would also be perfect for a hair salon. So for me, definitely one of the best hair blow dryers I've ever seen. Also very beautiful. Again, I think this would also fit as a very nice gift, and so I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.